Welcome back to Auto Garage, where power meets innovation and the future of machines comes alive. Today we are standing face to face with a true monster of modern engineering, the 2026 Futuristic Heavy Bulldozer. This machine is not just built to move Earth, it is designed to dominate it. From the moment you look at it, you can feel the raw strength, precision, and advanced technology packed into every inch of its body. The first thing that grabs attention is the massive dual-blade front design. Unlike traditional bulldozers, this futuristic model features a wide, aggressive stance that looks ready to tear through the toughest terrain. The shiny industrial yellow body paired with deep matte black steel blades gives it a bold and authoritative presence. Every edge is reinforced, every curve engineered for maximum efficiency and durability. This is not just a machine, it's a statement of power. At the heart of this bulldozer lies an advanced high-performance engine designed for extreme workloads. It delivers massive torque while maintaining fuel efficiency through intelligent power management systems. The 2026 model focuses on strength without waste, making it not only powerful but also smarter and more eco-conscious than older heavy machines. Whether it's mining, large-scale construction, or extreme land clearing, this bulldozer is built to perform non-stop. The hydraulic system is where futuristic engineering truly shines. Ultra-responsive hydraulics allow smooth and precise blade movements, even under extreme pressure. This means better control, faster operation, and reduced strain on the machine. Every movement feels calculated and controlled, giving operators confidence in the most demanding environments. Step inside the cabin, and you enter a completely different world. The interior of the 2026 Futuristic Heavy Bulldozer feels more like a high-tech command center than a traditional operator cab. The panoramic glass cabin provides excellent visibility, while sound insulation reduces noise and vibration to a minimum. The shiny yellow structural frame combined with a matte black dashboard creates a premium industrial feel. The digital dashboard displays real-time data including engine performance, blade pressure, terrain feedback, and fuel efficiency. Advanced touchscreens and joystick controls replace outdated mechanical systems, allowing the operator to control this massive machine with precision and ease. The seat is designed for long hours of operation, featuring advanced suspension, ergonomic support, and safety harness systems that keep the operator secure at all times. Another major highlight is the intelligent assistance technology. This bulldozer uses smart sensors to analyze ground conditions, blade resistance, and machine load. It automatically adjusts power output to maintain balance and efficiency. This not only improves productivity but also extends the lifespan of the machine by reducing unnecessary stress on critical components. The exterior design is just as functional as it is futuristic. Heavy-duty tracks provide superior grip and stability across mud, sand, rocks, and uneven surfaces. The rear exhaust system and cooling vents are engineered for optimal heat management, ensuring consistent performance even in extreme temperatures. Every detail, from the reinforced steel panels to the sleek LED lighting, reflects a machine built for the future. What truly sets the 2026 Futuristic Heavy Bulldozer apart is its focus on the operator and the environment. Reduced emissions, improved fuel efficiency, and smart monitoring systems make it a responsible choice for modern construction needs. It proves that power and sustainability can work together without compromise. At Auto Garage, we believe this bulldozer represents the next generation of heavy machinery. It combines brute force with intelligent design, comfort with control, and durability with innovation. This is not just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution of what a bulldozer can be. If you enjoyed this deep look into the future of heavy machines, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Auto Garage, and turn on notifications.